In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apollo.io to LinkedIn. By the end of this guide, you'll seamlessly integrate Apollo.io's functionalities right into your LinkedIn workflow. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you're comfortable using. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in Apollo.io extension. You're looking for the extension that will aid in sales intelligence, and Apollo.io is quite popular, so it should be one of the top results. Next, once you've located the correct extension, often labeled as Apollo.io Sales Intelligence, you'll want to proceed by adding it to your browser. For demonstration purposes, let's say you're using Chrome. There will be an option to Add to Chrome. Click on that, and a pop-up will appear. This pop-up is essentially a confirmation dialog. The browser is asking if you're sure about installing this extension. Go ahead and click on Add Extension. It's a straightforward process, and will start installing immediately after your confirmation. The installation is quick. The extension will automatically be added to your browser without needing further actions. To verify that it's been installed properly, you can look for the extension icon, typically resembling a puzzle piece located within your browser's toolbar. Clicking on this icon will display a list of your current extensions, and you should see the Apollo logo there. This confirms that it's ready to use. Now that you have the extension installed, it's time to put it to work with LinkedIn. Open up LinkedIn and navigate to a profile, any profile you wish to interact with. With the Apollo extension installed, you'll notice its icon on the right side of the screen. Clicking this icon unlocks a suite of functionalities. Apollo.io's power lies in its ability to streamline your networking efforts. The extension allows you to effortlessly add contacts to tailored lists, making organization a breeze. Furthermore, you can send connection requests directly through the extension, or if you're feeling proactive, fire off a message to initiate a conversation. Beyond communication, the Apollo extension grants you the ability to view detailed profile insights and even automate certain tasks that might otherwise become tedious. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added Apollo.io to LinkedIn. This isn't just an addition, it's an upgrade to how you manage your professional network. Now, your navigation through LinkedIn will be bolstered by Apollo.io's efficient tools designed for productivity in a world of connections. Happy networking, and until next time, keep making those impactful connections.